Good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible or not? Hello. You are getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Just wait 2 minutes, then we will start the session.
Great. So I think now the whiteboard is visible for all of you. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will start the session actually. Okay. So in the last class, we have started discussion about BCD subtraction using nines complement. Okay.
सर बहुत लोग का कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो पा रहा।
ये तो उसका नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है। जिसका नेटवर्क ठीक है तो वो तो कनेक्ट
नहीं सर, इस स्टेप से जो में बहुत बार होता है इसलिए।
Actually, if I not get or the in Zoom link, so I cannot accept them. Okay, so already 6 minutes over, so we will proceed for the topic. So first is the BCD subtraction using nines complement and tens complement method. And in the last class, we have already started the BCD subtraction using nines complement. And we also saw the subtraction using one example. But in the last class, you told that, sir, please share another one example. I think, am I right? Hello. Am I right or wrong? Hello. You are getting my voice? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you are getting my voice. Okay. So
Sir.
yeah, so again, now we are discussing for your requirement the BCD subtraction using 9 complements. 9's complement. Okay. So first is that um, I I already told you the steps for subtraction using 9 complements. So here I am actually giving you one example. Okay. So one thing. Okay. So here I'm giving you that is first BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Okay, so here I am giving you one example, that is 305.5 minus 168.8. Okay, so we already know from the last class. So here if we consider here, this is a 168.8, this is a suprahand, and 305, just warning, at this moment 5 people are in waiting room. So here 168.8, this is a suprahand, and 305.5, this is a minuend. Okay, so first for this process, the step number 1 is the take 9's complement for suprahand. So here suprahand is 168.8. So to get the 9's complement of 168.8, so here minus 168.8. So this is the 1138. Okay, so this is the 9's complement. Okay, next step is that add this to the minuend using BCD addition. So here I will just represent 831.8 in BCD representation. So first 8 means 1 triple 0, 3 means 0 0 1 1, 1 means 0 0 0 1, point 1 means 0 0 0 1, and minuend here is 305.5. so in BCD representation it is 0 0 1 1, next bit 0 0 0 0, 5 means 0 1 0 1, point 0 1 0 1. Now add this is 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1, 0 plus 0 plus carry 1, so 1. This is 0 plus 1, so this is 1, and this is 0 plus 0 0. You can also check that here it is 1 and it is 5. So from this we are getting here 6. 1 plus 5, this is 6. Next is 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. This is 0 plus 0 plus carry 1. So this is carry 1. This is 0 plus 1. This is 1 and this is 0 plus 0. Next is 1 plus 0 means 1 plus 0 means 1. This is also 1. This is 0 and 0. And here this is 1. This is 1. This is 0 and this is 1. Okay. So the addition is BCD addition. So the BCD addition is over. The next step is that now we will check that this BCD addition is valid or invalid. Okay. So for this case, first we will check this is greater than 8 or less than 8. So this is 0 1 1 0. This is greater than 9. So this is 0 1 1 0. It is greater than 9 or less than 9?
Less than 9.
So it is valid BCD. Next one is 0 1 1 0. This is also valid. Next one is 0 0 1 1. So it is also less than 9. And the last one, this is greater than or less than?
Greater than 9.
Greater than 9. So only this part is invalid BCD. Okay. So to convert from invalid BCD to valid BCD, we will add here 6. So here we are adding 6. Adding 6. So this is 0 1 1 0. So this is 0 1 1 0 point. This is 0 1 1 0. This is 0 0 1 1 and this is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 carry 1. So this is 0 plus 1. 1 plus carry 1. So this is 0. We have carry 1. So 1 plus carry 1 means 0. And here carry 1. Okay. So this is the end around carry. You can see here only this part has one end around carry. There is no carry generated. So this end around carry is shifted to the first bit. First bit means this. So this is, so after that the final result, that is 1110.0110011 and this is 0001. Okay. So here this is 1, this is 3, this is 6 and this is 7. So
7.
So the result is 136.7. So if we subtract here directly, so 305.5 minus 168.8. So here 15 minus 8, so this is 7. Here 15 minus 9, so this is 6. This is 10 minus 7, so this is 3. And from this we are getting 2. So our this BCD subtraction using 9's complement is perfectly okay. It is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt at this moment? There is 18 students, 17 students. I am getting only one response. Anuj is there?
ज्वाइन कर रहा है.
Okay. I think he is facing some network issue. Okay, I think now it is clear for all of you, because yesterday class also I discussed these things. Okay, so one thing that for this question you can see here, the subtraction is from, this is the larger and this is the smaller. Now we will see from the smaller to larger subtraction. Okay, so I am now delete these things. Suppose here the question is given, that is 336.25 minus 623.85. This question is given. Now we will do the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Okay, so here the almost the procedure is same. There is just a little bit difference. We will see what is the difference between from the previous one. Okay, so first here what is the superhand and what is the minuend here for this case? Hello. Hello.
Sir, 623.85.
This is minuend or superhand?
Sir, mind rate.
In the last class, I have said that if x minus y, then y is the superhand and x is the minuend. So in y's position, what is the value? 623.85. So this is superhand and 336.25 is the minuend. Okay. So first, the process is that first takes the 9's complement of superhand. So minus 623.85. So this is 41673. This is the 9's complement of 623.85. Now we will add with minuend in BCD addition form. So 376.14 means this is 00117 means 0111. 6 means 0110 point 00014. 4 means 0100 and minuend, that is 336.25. So this is 0011 0011 6 means 0110.2. 2 means 0010 and 5 means 0101.
सर
टेल मी,
वो जो 9s कम्प्लीमेंट अगर करेंगे तो उसका क्या आया सर? वो दोनों सब्ट्रैक्ट अगर कर रहे हैं, बीसीडी सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं तो 9s कम्प्लीमेंट का मेरा सर कुछ और आ रहा है।
इसका 9s कम्प्लीमेंट
तो मेरा है 63385।
कौन सा?
ये जो सर बीसीडी सब्ट्रैक्शन की है 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट में,
हाँ, नॉर्मल सब्सट्रैक्शन में कैसे आता है? 9 minus 5 means 4, 9 minus 8 means 1, 9 minus 3 means 6,
ये जो
376.14. हेलो,
सर एक बार फिर से सर समझा दीजिए, नहीं समझ पाए।
ठीक है। So here you can see this subtraction procedure in this. Here this is a smaller number and this is a larger number. Okay, and if x minus y equals, suppose if x minus y, so this y is the superhand and this is the minuend. So first term is take the 9's complement of superhand. So here superhand means 623.85, and how we get the 9's complement? Can you tell me first how we get the 9's complement? Hello, hello, to
हेलो
get,
सर, उसमें दो सर रिमूव करेंगे तो ही तो सर आता है ना 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट का जो प्रिसिशन है, उसको दो रिमूव करने के बाद 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल सकते हैं।
ये 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल सकता है। 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालने के लिए तो 9 से माइनस करना होता है ना।
ये सर लेकिन उसमें सर दो जो प्लेस रहता है वो घटाने से,
कौन सा
ये
बोलो?
जो सर पॉइंट, सर ये जैसे आप लिखे हैं ना 336.25 माइनस 623.85,
हाँ,
तो सर इसका 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट सर हम निकालेंगे कैसे सर? वो चीज जानना है सर, नहीं मतलब नहीं जान पा रहे हैं ये चीज।
इसका 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट
यस सर,
हम तो यहाँ
ये
पर
जो आप बीसीडी,
हम इसका
ये तो
9
आप,
हम इसका 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम कर रहे हैं बीसीडी सब्सट्रैक्शन यूजिंग 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट।
यस सर, तो सर वही एक बार बता दीजिए सर कैसे किया जाता है सर, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ये वाला बीसीडी वाला।
लास्ट क्लास किए हो?
यस सर किए थे, बट सर थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू था तो फिर डिस्कनेक्ट भी हो गए थे, बट फिर से रिज्वाइन किए थे लास्ट
यहाँ पर
क्लास।
सुनो, ये है सुप्रेहेंड, ये है माइनुएंड। हम फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू गेट द 9's complement of suprahend. So to get the 9's complement of suprahend, here suprahend is 623.85. okay, so here if we subtract from 999.99, so here we will get the 9's complement. This 9's complement, actually this is the 9's complement of 623.85. This 376.14 is the 9's complement of 623.85. okay,
यस सर,
okay, now here you can see, so after that here we already got the 9's complement of
अच्छा सर वो दोनों को सर मतलब, अच्छा समझ गए सर, वो मतलब जितना कॉम्प्लीमेंट रहेगा उसको लेके वो आपका राइट साइड वाला को लेके माइनस करना, वो निकलेगा,
हाँ,
और लेफ्ट साइड
हाँ,
को दोनों फिर माइनस करके
दोनों
उस टाइप से
माइनस नहीं,
निकलेगा ये।
प्लस करके सुनो।
अच्छा ये वाला प्लस करना है दोनों का
हाँ,
समेशन, ओके सर।
ठीक, तो अभी हम प्लस कर रहे हैं, तो ये 9's complement के साथ now we are adding with this minuend. okay, so this term is minuend and this is the 9's complement. So here we are getting, that is 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, this is 1 plus 1 0, this is 1. Next is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. Next is 0, this is 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, so this is 1 plus 1 plus carry 1, so this is 1, we have carry 1, so this is 0 plus 0, carry 1. Again here this is 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, so this is 1 plus 1 plus carry 1, so this is 1, we have carry 1. So 1 plus carry 1 means 0 and we have carry 1. Next is that 1 plus 1 means 0, this is 1 plus 1, carry 1, and this is 1 and this is 0. okay, now the BCD Just 1 minute. BCD addition is over. Now the next step is to check that this BCD addition, each bit is valid BCD or invalid BCD. Okay, so first for this case, here you can see this is the 8 plus 1, so this is 9, so it is not greater than 9, so it is valid. Next is also valid. The third one is 8 plus 4, so it is 12, so it is invalid BCD, and sorry, invalid BCD. Next one is 10, so this is also invalid, and this is valid. So here you can see the 2 bit is invalid BCD and 3 bit is valid BCD. So to convert from invalid to valid, here actually we are adding 6. Okay, so this is so after addition we are getting like that 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 point. This is 0 plus 0 0. This is 0 plus 1 1. This is 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. This is 1 plus carry 1 means 0, and this is a 1 bit carry. Okay, next this is 0 plus 0 0. This is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 carry 1. This is 0. 1 plus carry 1 means 0, and this is 1 plus carry 1 means 0 carry 1. Okay, and here this is 0 1 1 0. Okay, so here you can see that there is 2 carry generated. This is 1 carry generated, and this is also 1 carry generated, and here there is no end carry. Okay, there is no end carry. So if now you should remember this point, if there is no end carry generated, that indicates that the result is negative. Okay, result is negative, and it is in the form of 9's complement. Okay, so first one, this carry should be added or shifted here, and this is also shifted here. So this is 1 0 0 1. This is 0 0 1 1. Next is this is 0 0 1 0. This is 0 0 0 1, and this is 0 1 1 1. So it is 7. This is 1. This is 2.39. Okay, so now it is not over for this problem. It is not the whatever we are getting, it is not the correct answer actually. Why? Because there is no end carry, that's why there is no end carry, that's why it is in the negative. You consider it negative, as well as it is still it is the form of 9's complement. Okay, so to get the actual form here this is 999.99712.39. so this is 0, this is 6, 9 minus 2, this is 7, 8 and 2. So suppose here, so the actual answer is this is minus 287.60. Okay, so now if we subtract here directly, so that in this case also 623.85 minus 336.25. so here this is 0, this is 6, 13 minus 6 means 7, in hand 1, so 12 minus 4 means 8, again in hand, so 6 minus 4 means 2, and this is minus. Is there any doubt for this problem?
No, sir.
It is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am just giving you 1 minute, and all of the participants are requested to put your name in the chat box for attendance purpose.
हेलो सर।
Tell me.
सर आप जो भी क्लास में करवाते हैं सर वो आप सर गूगल क्लासरूम में से अपलोड कर दीजिएगा ना, तो नोट्स करने में दिक्कत होता है।
हाँ, कल हम जो गूगल क्लासरूम का लिंक भेजे हैं उसमें तुम ऐड हो?
हाँ, सब कोई सर ऐड हो गए हम लोग सेक्शन का।
हाँ, हम यूट्यूब में बहुत सारा वीडियो अपलोड कर दिए हैं, वो आज का लिंक हम दे देंगे, ठीक है?
अच्छा सर, यूट्यूब वाला में सर दिक्कत ये होता है सर, पूरा स्किप करके देखना पड़ता है, क्लिप करके। ऐसे जो आपका ये जो फाइल रहता है सर, शुरू से जितना आप बताए ना, अगर आपके पास सेव है तो सर सारा अपलोड कर लीजिएगा, उसको हम लोग सॉर्ट कर लेंगे अपने से
जो
अरेंज
हम
करके।
मेरा क्लास का ही वीडियो हम अपलोड करे यूट्यूब में किए हैं, उसका लिंक दे देंगे, जो क्लास तुम किए हो। ठीक
अच्छा,
है?
ये जो सर आप बताते हैं ये व्हाइट बोर्ड में ये फाइल सर सेव नहीं रहता है क्या?
व्हाइट बोर्ड में फाइल सेव रहता है मतलब ये
हाँ हाँ,
पीडीएफ
ये
वाला?
जो आप बता
नहीं
रहे हैं
नहीं
रब,
नहीं,
ये
ये
सर।
सेव नहीं रहता है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है सर, तब वही कीजिए।
Okay, so now we will move forward for the next topic, that is the BCD subtraction using tens complement. Okay, so there is also some rule, so you just note it in your copy. I am writing here the first rule. By using BCD addition, digit, then correct by adding 6. Fourth one is the shift the carry to next bit. Fifth, if and around carry is there, then discard. If the carry not in result, so result is negative and consider tens complement of result to get actual value. So if we consider the nines complement and tens complement for BCD subtraction, already the step is same. The last step is little bit different. In nines complement, if there is end around carry, so it is added to the first bit. But in the case of nines complement, if there is any end around carry, this should be discarded. Okay. And if there is no end around carry, in that case, the result you consider that the result is negative, and to get the actually in this sense where there is no end around carry, in that case it is in the forms of tens complement. So to after that you should get the actual value from the nines tens complement also. Okay, so I am just erasing these things. Suppose here 10.2 minus 2.1. This is this question is given that you do the BCD subtraction using tens complement. Okay, so whenever you will get this type of question, you should remember one thing, that whatever you are getting in the minuend, in that case the equal number digit should be present in superhand also. Okay, so here you can see this is 10.2, but this is 2.1. so for our uses here, first 9 we are considering 0.2 minus 1. So first our aim is to get the tens complement. So first is 8, this is 7, this is 9. So this is the nines complement. From nines complements we just add here 1, so this is 97.9. so this is the tens complement. So 97.9 equals to 10010111.1001, and this is the superhand